Welcome to Tech World channel. Today I am going to show you how to add calendar widget on the home screen in your Samsung Galaxy M14 4G phone. Now the first thing you have to do is touch and hold on the home screen, and at the bottom you can see widgets option. Then just go to widgets. After that scroll down, then go to calendar option, and that's it. Here you can see 4 kinds of calendar widget, and you can add any calendar widget on the home screen as you like. If you want to add this calendar widget on the home screen, just touch and hold it and drag it to the home screen, and it's done. You can see calendar widget has been added successfully on the home screen. Now if you touch and hold it, then go to settings option. From here you can customize your calendar widget. You can change your calendar widget background color. From here you can choose white or black color. You can also increase or decrease your background transparency from here, and you can set any level as you want. Then tap on save, and you can see it's changed successfully. And that is how you can add calendar widget on the home screen in your Samsung Galaxy M14 4G phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.